Hello, friends. Welcome to Error Reference. Imagine you want to run a program one day and suddenly you encounter a strange error message. The code execution cannot proceed because VC runtime 141 del was not found. Naturally, the first thing that comes to mind is, wait a second, what is this even saying? Don't worry, because in this video, we'll find out exactly where this error comes from, why it appears, and how to fix it easily. This error message has a simple meaning. The program you want to open is looking for a critical system file called VC runtime 141.l, but it can't find it. And naturally, it fails to launch. So what is this file and why is it so essential? It all goes back to something called the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Imagine that many programs you install on your computer, like Camtasia, Photoshop, or even some big games, need certain ready-made pieces of code. Instead of every program writing those pieces from scratch, Microsoft has created a ready-to-use package called the Visual C Redistributable. Programs call this package and run smoothly without hassle. But if this package gets corrupted or some of its files get deleted, like VC runtime 141 del, programs can no longer function properly. Interestingly, this error can appear right after uninstalling programs like Camtasia. Sometimes when uninstalling a program, Windows mistakenly removes shared system files. And the result is a frustrating error like this. But don't worry, fixing this error is super easy. Just stay with me for a few minutes. Step 1, go to the official Microsoft website. Step 2, download the latest version of Visual C Redistributable. Make sure to download the x64 version if you have a 64-bit Windows, and the x86 version if you have a 32-bit Windows. Step 3, open the installer. If you see the repair option, click on Repair. If not, simply click Install and let it set up. Step 4, restart your system. And that's it. Your programs should now run without any error. You see, many Windows issues may look scary, but they can often be fixed with a few simple steps. I hope I've helped you remove this error from your world for good. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the Error Reference channel. And don't forget to leave your questions in the comments. I'd be happy to chat with you. Until the next videos, goodbye.